Hello Rati ma'am, hello Sanjeev sir. Hi everyone, I am Manshika Tripathi, a working mother of a 3 years old boy called Yathar, and I live in Dubai. So basically I am here to talk about why I wanted to lose weight post pregnancy and how Rati Beauty came into my life, especially for weight loss. So I remember that I started my weight loss journey after my baby turned around 3 months. Okay, after my baby was like 3 months old, because I wanted to give myself a good period of time after the delivery. So I started when my baby was 3 months old, and I weighed around 88 kilos at that time. 88 kgs was the highest of my life at that time. So at that time, at that period of time when I started when I wanted to lose weight, I was not aware about what are the called these micros or macros, like what we need to consider for losing weight post pregnancy. So I wanted to reduce weight post pregnancy because I know my pregnancy was not easy. There were many ups and downs. Like for that, I won't share it here because now it's all healed and everything. So at that time, when I just decided to start my weight loss journey, I think I had gone for a walk or somewhere for like 10-12 minutes for buying something, and I felt so heaviness in my legs plus as well as calves. The next day morning, my calves started paining a lot, and I told my mom, like, mom, why my legs are paining so much, why my calves are paining. So she said, it will pain because like it will pain, but you don't worry, it will go slow and steadily. So I think she was knowing, but she didn't told me like why, because I have gained weight so much. After this, I started following Rati Beauty diet plans and Rati ma'am on Insta, and I was a constant follower of I Am Baby on Facebook as well. So yeah, after this I used to watch each and every post of Rati ma'am and used to hear each and every videos and tried, as Rati ma'am says, it's a lifestyle and you have to adopt as a lifestyle of yours. So I used to listen carefully and started grasping as well, because without that grasping, I was also aware that it won't work, because whatever we have to do or whatever I have to do, I need to have a full belief in that, then only it will work for me. So I decided that I would definitely start with Rati Beauty diet plans, and this was around June 2000, I think May or June 2019, when Rati ma'am was also into weight loss after the birth of Sia. Just before starting that, I just posted in a Facebook group. So and yes, I remember that Prajakta Pawar Patil just replied to my post that yes, she did Rati Beauty diet plans, and yes, they worked for her. After I discussed with her and we talked a lot, I just decided finally that I'll go ahead without thinking much with Rati Beauty diet plans. And yes, I am proud to say that Rati Beauty diet plans gave me a very good friend called Prajakta, and today also we are continuously in contact with each other. No doubt we haven't met. So yes, after this I started with the Rati Beauty diet plans, and it was around June 2019 that I finally started with Rati Beauty plans. And when I did the first diet plan 1, as ma'am and sir says, whenever you are following newly, you have to start with diet plan 1. I started with diet plan 1, and I was shocked to see that my weight reduced by 1 kg itself in 1 week. So yes, this reduction, you can say, of 1 kg gave me full faith, and it also motivated me to go ahead with Rati Beauty diet plans, because they will definitely work for me, as they did for the first week. So after this, there was no looking back. There was no looking back or thinking like whether they will work for me or not, or the food is less, or I can't eat this, or I can't eat that. There was nothing like that. So I started. So after that, it was like diet plan 2, diet plan 3, and each and everything, and I started with that. No doubt there was also I also faced some challenges in Rati Beauty diet, because I hit a very big plateau, as I had already lost like some 20 plus kilos by following Rati Beauty for a couple of months. I hit a very plateau, and I was running mad. But that also, with the help of Sanjeev sir and Rati ma'am, I was able to tackle it, and slowly and steadily I was able to reduce my weight. I think I hit a plateau by 2 or 3 times by when I was on Rati Beauty diet plans. How how Rati Beauty became my lifestyle? Yeah, it became my lifestyle because I could see that the plans are working for me. So it became my lifestyle because at least I can have 5 full proper meals to eat in a day. So yes, nobody else would expect anything else from other diet plans. So at least I can have good food. So this gave me full faith and full belief that yes, this will be my lifestyle, and I won't look here and there after this. So one more thing I wanted to tell, that still I haven't achieved my goal. My goal weight is still pending. I wanted to be at 58 kgs, and I also want to make a collage mentioning like 30 kg weight loss. This Sanjeev sir knows it very well. But Sanjeev sir also scolded me like it's enough. You have reached where you want to reach. Please don't be hard on yourself. But no, as I say, as Rati Beauty will be my lifestyle and will be my life for my full lifetime. So definitely I am very much sure that one day I will achieve my goal, which is of 58 kgs, because I will be following Rati Beauty, and there is no ifs and buts in that. Secondly, I also want to add here, like I have been a very chubby kid or child from all over my life. I used to be on a heavier weight all the time, and I used to hear many things from people or my relatives like kitni moti hai and all. And now those people only tell to me like, oh God, you have become so thin, kitni patli ho gayi hai, and kuch khati nahi ho tum, etc, etc. So I think I have achieved what I want to be after listening the totally opposite to what these people used to tell me. And I feel it's a very proud moment for me, because I have achieved something. Yes, I have achieved something, and I have achieved it with the help of only Rati Beauty diet plans. So all the credit goes to Rati ma'am and Sanjeev sir, who have helped me a lot in my this journey. Tough journey I won't say, because it was not tough for me. It was not at all tough for me. No doubt, as I said, I did hit a plateau, and that's a normal process of reducing weight. It was not tough for me. I had good food to eat. I didn't face any challenges as well. It was very easy for me to just follow it and eat and do workouts, and yes, and I was sorted. So guys, if any of you wanted to reduce weight post pregnancy, or like any ways you wanted to reduce weight if you have gained, or you wanted to change your lifestyle, or you wanted to be adopted to a healthy lifestyle, then yes, Rati Beauty diet plans are the best. Because you can see I am in front of you. You can see my transformation pics. It had worked for me, and it will work for all of you, because they are not a personalized plans. Rati ma'am and Sanjeev sir put immense amount of efforts and pressure in making those plans so that it works for each and everybody. So yes, if you wanted to lose weight, you should definitely I can only say just give a try. Just give a try. If you had tried this diet or GM diet or any crash diet or keto diet or each and everything, you just need to try this, because they will definitely work. 100% they will work, as it worked for me. I am a normal human being. I am a working mother. No doubt, I have a help. I have a help at home. So, but at the same time, I have to work. I have to work on weekdays as well. So that's hard on me. There was we all were stuck by pandemic and everything, and I had to work from home. I had to manage my plans, my workouts. I had to manage my baby, and at that time also I was able to follow Rati Beauty Diet. So if I can follow, then each and everybody else in the world can follow Rati Beauty Diet. So just don't think. You just have to follow the plans, and everything will be sorted after that. You can also follow the workouts. The app is full of healthy things, makeup, workouts, your diet plans. So you are sorted. There is no need to look here and there to search workouts from YouTube or anything else. Last but not the least, I would just like to say thank you to ma'am and sir. I know thank you is it's a very short and small word, but I don't know what to say more than thank you, because it's only yes, I just wanted to say thanks to ma'am and sir, because I don't know what to say more. You know me, and I have also known you like since 1.5 years. So you know what are my feelings and what I feel about Rati Beauty and about you and ma'am both. So thanks once again for being a part of my life, and you will be my life forever. Like Rati Beauty will be my life forever, else it won't change at all. Thanks a lot for hearing me. Bye.